Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be working with the Angle Addition Postulate. So here we are trying to find the measure of angle FGM, and then we're given some pieces of information. So for Angle Addition Postulate, what you're going to do is you're going to take up the two smaller angles and they're going to equal the bigger angle that it creates, and then we'll solve accordingly. So we know measure of angle FGM is what we're trying to find. So I like to highlight it, just a strategy for you. And then when you're given information, put that on the diagram. So FGM is equivalent to 2x plus 6. And then I'm outlining our angle MGH is 26. And then the angle that creates those two, angle FGH, is equivalent to 7x minus 8. So first step, strategy here, highlight what you're trying to find, label your picture, and then we're going to go into breaking down the question. We're going to do this in two parts. Step one, we're going to solve for x. Another strategy here is I like to write out the equation first, where I'm just writing the information without any of the numbers and variables. So the whole angle FGH is equivalent to the two smaller angles added together. Then I'm going to replace from our diagram what we know, or the sentence if you didn't label your picture. So we have 7x minus 8 equals a 2x plus 6 plus 26, because we're adding those two smaller angles. From here, we're going to solve for x. So we're going to combine our like terms. So I end up with 7x minus 8 equals 2x plus 32. For the rest of the problem, we're using our inverse operations to get x by itself. So I'm subtracting 2x from both sides. We are left with 5x minus 8 equals 32. I'm going to add 8 to both sides, and we are left with 5x equals 40. Our last inverse operation here is going to be division. We're going to divide by 5 on both sides, so we get x is equal to 8. The question doesn't ask us for what x is, but we do need the x in order to find the angle that it asked for. So step 2 is we're going to plug x back in to find the measure of angle FGM. So some other strategy for you here is like when I'm thinking like, okay, what information did I have and what do I need? So I'm going to rewrite out what the angle that I'm finding, that expression, so I don't mix it up with something else in the equation or the question. So angle FGM is equivalent to 2x plus 6, and we found in our step 1 that x equals 8. We're going to replace x with 8 in that expression, and we're going to go ahead and solve. So we end up with 22. So the measure of angle FGM is equivalent to 22 degrees. Don't forget your degree sign because we are finding the measure of an angle.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.